Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate age using date of birth in Excel. Here I have 3 dates of birth. Step 1, check date format. First we need to make sure these cells are formatted as date. Select the date cells, right-click and choose Format Cells. From the category, select Date and then choose any date format you like. Click OK. Now select the Age column cells. Right-click and choose Format Cells again. From the category, select Number and set decimal places to 0 since we are calculating age in whole years. Click OK. Step 2, write the formula now. In the first age cell, type this formula, equals DATEDIF B3 today, Y. Let me explain this. B3 is the date of birth. Today returns the current date automatically. Y tells Excel to calculate the completed number of years between the 2 dates. After closing the bracket, press Enter, and it will show the age in years. Now drag from the bottom right corner of the cell to copy the formula for the other rows. Calculate age in months or days. If you want to calculate age in months, just change Y to M. If you want it in days, change it to D. And that's how you calculate age using date of birth in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.